Hello guys, welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video or from this video we are going to start the building of the codes app in Android Studio, where the user will learn the codes and we are going to design this type of application. So let me show you what we are going to build. So first of all, we are going to build this custom splash screen, and we will remove this status bar on the splash screen, and then we will have one navigation drawer with a navigation header and some of the items or categories here listed here. After that we have more, where we are going to add a disclaimer, share, rate us and feedback button. So when user click on any of these buttons, so let me show you about disclaimer. They will see this disclaimer, and when we click on share, they will get the shareable link. When we click on rate us, then user will able to rate us, and feedback, they will be redirected to our Gmail, and they will get this custom email ID and all this stuff that is created now. And we are also going to add a slider in our top, so you can subscribe our YouTube channel to learn this complete implementation. So let me show you, there is many more features in this app. This is the introductory part of our codes app. So here we have one splash screen and rate us button. So this is the share link and rate us button, and this is the custom slider, or we can say image slider. These all images can be editable. So these are the static image, and this most popular category to all these 8 images can be editable anytime. And you will find one horizontal scroll view here with some card of the gradients. So when we click on any of these categories, let's see love messages. So instead of this love messages, we are going to show them love quotes, or you can build any type of quote. So you will give the custom quotes as per your choice. I will also give the source code of this application after the completing of this Android application. We are going to load all these codes from the Firebase to our application, and we will also get a copy and share button. So when we click on copy, they generate an toast message, and when we click on share, you will able to share this code and as well as our application link, so we can promote our application, and we will get this custom drawer always. And our application is relative, so we can responsive, so we can see that full application in in anything. So you can see that this is our application in slide, or you can also see this code. So now let me do this, and here is we are. So when we click on any of this message, and when user click on this text, then they can even change this text and background color, text. They can share this link or download this image. So we are going to allow. So it is generating error, I don't know why. Then copy button, and you can see that this text is not movable here, but in our application this text will be movable, so that we can drag this image anywhere. And here is our text, that is how much text you want you can add. Here I had added around 50 to 60 type of font family, 60 to 70 gradients, and we can also add the custom background to our application. I will show you in our upcoming Android tutorials. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we had also network checking in our application. So when user is not connected, you can see that I had not connected with internet and as well as Wi-Fi, so I will get one error. So let me open application again. So first yes, then here is our application, and you can see that internet connection error. We cannot do anything until we turn on. So here when we turn on our Wi-Fi and then again come to our application, we will use our application. And one more feature is that is exit dialog. So when user click on thanks, exit, then they will see this custom message, and we will ask for ratings and review of our application. So here there are three buttons of no, and we cannot dismiss this custom dialog when we click on any of this button outside. So when we click on rate us, then we will redirect to that Play Store that I had shown you here, and when we click on no, this custom dialog dismiss. But when we again click on back press, then we will get this yes button. So when we click on yes, we will redirect, we will close our application. So this is the Android tutorials Codes app in Android Studio application. So you can wait for the upcoming tutorials. First we are going to design our splash screen, custom toolbar, dashboard, navigation drawer, implementation of these images, and many more things. So watch continue our series. So to watch continue, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and read tutorials to get notification. Thanks for watching. This was the introduction of the Codes app in Android Studio.